Okay, let's play it at a slower tempo so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's try and analyze this a little bit, okay? First of all, I'm playing in A, and the tonality is A major blues, or A7. And I'm starting off with a nice bend. Getting a nice blues scale with a cap, harmonic cap. Some open string stuff on the A there. Not a whole lot of intricate open string stuff, but enough to warrant talking about it. Next. Another nice open string lick. Up to the octave and a little bit more bendy work up there. Now I'll play the same thing for you a little slower. Okay, let's take a look at this one. First of all, I'm in the key of D, so I'm focusing around the tonality of a D7 or a D major blues sound. This first lick is a two-string bend lick, and I'm using the thumb and the first finger to hold the pick while I'm using my middle finger to pluck a few notes in the B string. Okay, from here what I'm doing is just using a couple of open strings to get to the D within a D7 arpeggio. Okay, now I'm moving to the key of A major, so I'm using the relative key, F sharp minor blues. Back to D. Okay, this is the third section, and what it's doing is we got a breakdown that's very similar to the solo breakdown in Wrecking Ball. Same technique, but a little different. There's a lot of string skipping in it, so let's take a look at it. Okay, let's take a look at this one at a slower pace. Okay, let's take a look at this one. First of all, I'm playing in the key of E7, so I'm going to work around that tonality. In my kind of a three-note per string personalized version of a blues scale, I'm going to descend, or ascend rather, with a pattern that is pick 3, pull off 2, pick 3, hammer on 2, and it goes straight up like this. switch positions all the way to the A. Changing keys to the D. Then to A major. Descending fours. Then a string skipping arpeggio. Really wide octave. Back into the D. Here's the last section of this, the tail ending, and it's an E. Okay, let's hear this one at a slow tempo. Okay, let's take a look at this last one. It's basically an open string lick, focusing around the tonality of an E7 chord, my favorite chord, and it goes like this. Starting with an open D string, open A, B, 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 and that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I know I certainly enjoyed filming it, and I hope a lot of the things in this video will help you in your playing, achieving whatever goals you have for yourself. I'd like to thank everybody at REH and the crew here who helped make this video possible, and hey, I'll see you later.